Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between business intelligence and competitive intelligence. Business intelligence is defined as a set of software packages, tools, and systems that play a very important role in the strategic planning process for any company. They represent the software and physical tools which a company uses for gathering research and intelligence. On the other hand, competitive intelligence is defined as the act of understanding the industry and their rivals for any company so that they can proceed to make better business decisions. Competitive intelligence is also an acute type of market research that is conducted by any business. With the help of competitive intelligence, businesses can use the same kind of tactics that are used while conducting market research. It helps a business in the short and long-term decision-making and also conveys the credibility of a company to the market. So, let's look into the basic differences between business intelligence and competitive intelligence in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Business intelligence is defined as a set of software packages, tools, and systems that play a very important role in the strategic planning process for any company. Whereas competitive intelligence is the act of understanding a company's industry and industry rivals so the company can make better business decisions. Number 2. Business intelligence has a wider scope compared to competitive intelligence, whereas competitive intelligence has a narrower scope compared to business intelligence. Number 3. Business intelligence focuses on gathering, storing, and analyzing raw business data, whereas competitive intelligence focuses on understanding competitors and industry operations. Number 4. Business intelligence collects data on market research, customer support, product performance, and more, whereas competitive intelligence collects data specifically on competitors and industry trends. Number 5. The objective of business intelligence is to assist in making strategic and corrective business decisions, whereas the objective of competitive intelligence is to provide insights to outperform competitors and spot market opportunities. Number 6. Business intelligence uses software and physical tools for data analysis and decision support, whereas competitive intelligence uses market research tactics and competitor analysis tools. Number 7. Business intelligence helps in achieving both short-term and long-term business goals, whereas competitive intelligence helps in making more informed decisions than the average firm in the industry. Number 8. Business intelligence operates efficiently in processing large volumes of business data, whereas competitive intelligence operates efficiently in analyzing competitors' strategies and market positions. Number 9. Examples of business intelligence usage include systems for market research, customer support, and statistical analysis, whereas examples of competitive intelligence usage include tracking blog posts, social media activity, and other public information of competitors. And finally, difference number 10. Business intelligence is integral to the overall strategic planning and decision-making process of a company, whereas competitive intelligence is crucial for understanding the competitive landscape and positioning in the industry. So, these are the differences between business intelligence and competitive intelligence. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.